Hold on, what? Are you this one here? Figure it out.
Figure it out back over here. In the
Yes, brother. The first question never ask, figure it out. You know that brother, yeah?
No,
You
me
know
not
that
know
brother, yeah?
sauce. No, me
You
not
the
know.
mic then.
Sauce?
No, me only see him on TikTok a play match. Me not know the dog.
Alright then. You like that answer there. Alright then. So you and this man have any farmer friend with no friend or nobody?
Who that?
Which part you come from?
Alright, my G. Me been there, you know, so me been there for Ambashi Live. I watch it from the dog start it, and me I hear everything. First thing me I go say, my general. The whole place have it for say, yo, we are fish. None of them boy and I go want friend with, so how we know them? We can't know them, because them now want friend with, bro. We name done a call up on certain things already. That's what me I say.
Yeah, I listen, you know.
Yeah, listen, man.
Alright. But when me ask the question, let me ask is this. Yeah? You have link, you have no, what kind of link you have a Walaba?
Bro, me not have no link a Wolaba. Me never got Niah place yet, my G. Never.
Me never ask if you got in your place. Me ask you ever got jail yet?
No, me never got jail yet, bro.
You brother ever got jail yet?
No, none of we never got jail yet.
But what kind of link you have a St. Catherine? You come from St. Catherine?
Yeah, man, that's where we come from.
You come from St. Catherine?
Yeah.
Well, I never ask you honest question now.
Yeah,
I'm more you answer this honestly. So you're gonna tell me that you come from St. Catherine, yeah, and you never got Walaba yet.
Oh, you mean if I go Wolaba, G? I go Wolaba, but I don't no link at Wolaba.
No, but me know everybody knows if you got a certain place, you have link.
G, when I go Wolaba, like woman things still, you know. I have a cat here Wolaba, I go link a girl, pick her up. That's it. I don't nobody at Wolaba, G.
My boy.
No, yeah, but go into Walaba, you have link.
No.
Link.
No, my general.
Chat, get the liar up. Chat, get the liar for him. The liar. Go for the liar for me.
Yeah.
Get the liar up,
G,
please.
you go places, you don't have to have link. You see me? You don't have to have link. You come on, me not link places. You see it? Me not link places.
So, all right then. Now me will come to the most serious question them know me need to ask you now. Yeah. So, why was it so? Why? More know why? What was the reason for you and Niah to have that conversation where you bring your brother in at the camera for your brother come threaten Niah and you threaten Niah? That me want to ask now.
The first thing I want to ask you now. Me telling a man say him need to behave himself and all of that. Is that a threat?
You me say to you, brother. All right. Moderator, you want me play the, you want me come play the thing, you want me, brother, you want me play the thing again here, the conversation.
Yeah, man. Play it and then make him address it.
Listen me now. Watch it. Let me tell you something straight up. I watch it from
Play it.
So, well, I know. From where you watch me. I know you watch me, my general. You know what I say? So, let me know the badness now. Anybody have any hand for doing this with a death, want to see something, you know? Me have people from Australia. I tell his wife from England, and I make know say anybody instruct anybody or authorize anybody to take out this with a life, you know. Me I make know say, you know, gotta send you a message, you know. And that message you gonna accept it, you know. Because you see your son, he build by prayer. And he stand by prayer. You see me? And nobody will feel like say, well, mix up and look up, schism and dirty world. When you feel like we will cover up, you know, the truth has to expose. And we are bring every guilty person. You understand? Because it has to be stopped. This boy life work. When you take a picture, I don't know if you, but I'm gonna make you know say, I see something coming. And on one good side. So if you want to know, I'm just cannot help you know. Moderator, My bad boy disciple, you take over the floor. You deal with him. I make him. That is my message to him, you know. You know, nothing
Yeah,
about general.
you hear a general talk. What me I say again is this. You, Mike, yeah, find it, Mike, find the recording. Come on, you hear what you said to the youth, you know.
Me know